You took your sign down. You're not a Polaris man anymore? All right, what are we going to do with that?
Well, we didn't make that of it. It's free.
Close enough. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just loading up some Knott diesel here. In this video, we're going to be installing a 3-inch OMD handlebar riser. I'm getting the 850 and the 90 out of the shed, moving it to the new shed at the new place. We're not moving everything here today, and we're not boring you with a moving video. We're just going to load up all the gear, the riding gear, helmets, waders, load up the machines, get it to the new place, and start putting on that handlebar riser. Ready to head out, buddy?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. What are you doing up there? Home sweet home. Close up for the night, get to that handlebar riser in the morning. Okay, all right, it's the next day. It's relatively insanely hot right now, but we're here in the new old shed. So before I get started, quick question, what do you guys think I should do? Leave the big pegboard there, put a little tool bench here with shelves on either side of the window, or option 2, move the pegboard, put it horizontally across this one and build a bench underneath. I got that on this side. There's what she looks like. Little man's 4-wheeler's here, so that's why I was thinking of putting it back here, but I don't know if I want to build a huge one, maybe just a little one here. Let me know. Option 1, option 2, or maybe your own. Put it in the comments, let me know. Let's get into it. That's gonna come off. OMD time. So I watched like one... Excuse me. So I watched like one tutorial video on this when I first ordered it, and that was it. So I'm kind of gonna just wing it here, I think. I don't think it's overly complicated. You wanna take these ties off, both sides here. Then you wanna loosen these, take your bars off, and then just put the, you know, the new gear on. Oh, that's gonna look good. Let's give her. Alright, bars are off. Let's pop this baby on there. There's no give to that whatsoever. Need a little more slack in the brake line. So I got enough slack on my throttle cable, my winch cable, but not the brake cable. There's no slack in that whatsoever. So I might just have to take a little more plastic off and see where I can get some slack at. But right now I gotta go in, make some dinner, right back. All right, we're back. Just had dinner, cracked a vitamin O. It's time to get cracking. All right, I'm just hanging out down here on the floor. I think I figured out how to get some more slack. And by I figured out, I just had to text James. Once again, shout out to the Oracle. There's a 10mm bolt right here. Hopefully that'll give me enough slack to be able to pull up. So let's give her. All right, I think I got enough slack in the cable now. Let's get the bottom piece on, get rolling. Where did that go now? That is not gonna be easy to get out of there. Son of a... That right there, my friends, was not easy to get out. We got the washer too, boys. This little magnet here was a godsend. We got her out, we're back in business. This is day 2 of trying to get this thing.
Can we show them my lights?
We should show them your lights. Ooh. Look at that light bar. Sweet. Looking good, dude. Ooh, that's lots. She squirts out of there in a hurry. When you gotta put on anything with a wrench, over tighten it so no one can ever get it off. Be a man. All right, so that block's finally on there. Everything's tightened down. You put the 4 washers on there and then put a little Loctite and just tighten those up. Now we're ready to put the bars in place and get the cap on. So now we're gonna add 4 of these little spacers to the bars. Put the cap on, put a little Loctite on these ones. Got the bars in place. Let's get to it. Now I'm just gonna make sure I got the bars positioned how I want them. Well, it's hard to tell now with everything torn apart, but that looks right. I can always back it off and tweak it a little later if need be. I think we're ready to finally finish these up. Just gonna tighten these up, put all the plastics back on, and then I'll show you the finished product. Quick little sneaky peek. Let's take her outside, see what she looks like. All right, that's the video for today. Just a quick little OMD handlebar install. Thing's mint, feels great. Went on a little harder than it should have, but hey, it's on. If you want to see more install videos, let me know. Got any opinions on the shed, let me know. Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you next time. Peace.